Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike Oski's Kitchen. I'm Mike Oski, and I got my Steeler stuff on again. My hat and my shirt. I got my Chef Mikey jacket on. Welcome back. I appreciate you guys showing back up. Let's guess what? We are still making these wonderful appetizers slash tailgate recipes, okay? This is one you're gonna wanna make. You're gonna wanna put together. It's so simple, it's so easy. Minimal ingredients. A couple steps, guys. I'm going to tell you what, this is fantastic. Make it for the next Steeler tailgate, make it for the next Penn State tailgate. Yes, that's my two favorite teams. But if you're not a Steeler fan, that's okay. If you're not a Penn State fan, that's okay too. Just make it for your next tailgate. Make it for your next appetizers. Fantastic, guys. Here's what we're making. We're making a jalapeno bacon bombs. Jalapeno bacon bombs. So good. Oh my goodness. You're going to love it. Check it out. So here's what we're going to use in this recipe. This is how simple it is. Cheddar cheese, cream cheese, onion powder, garlic powder, jalapeno because it's in the name of the recipe, jalapeno. I'll show you how much I'm going to use. Bacon, some toothpicks. I'll show you what we're going to do with that. And I like Baby Ray's. You can use whatever kind of barbecue sauce you got. Have at it. But always use some liquid smoke. You can grab it at your next grocery store. Big deal, no big deal at all. Some liquid smoke, because what that liquid smoke's gonna do, it's gonna add a little bit of that smoky flavor. So what I'm gonna do, we're gonna make these bacon bombs, these jalapeno bacon bombs. This is a Mike Oski crazy creation. Came up in my crazy old mind, and you're gonna make a fantastic appetizer, and you're gonna make a fantastic tailgate offering. So listen. What we're gonna do, let me tell you this. You know what we're gonna do with it? What better way than to enjoy bacon than fried bacon? Look at that. We're gonna fry some bacon too. I wanna show you how to make them. They're so simple, they're so stupid simple, you're gonna love them. Let's rock and roll. Mike Oski's jalapeno bacon bombs for your next tailgate, your next pre-football game, your next appetizer. I'll be right back. I'm going to show you what we're going to do. Okay, welcome back. Here we are. This is the most important part, I think, of making these jalapeno bacon bombs, baby. It's making the filling. It's the cream cheese filling. So what we're going to do, we're going to use 8 ounces of cream cheese. It's been softened, been sitting out for a few, maybe an hour or so. You want it nice and soft. And what we're going to do is we're going to add a 1/4 cup and a full cup of cheddar cheese. All right? So cheddar cheese, 1 cup and 1/4. Now, next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna take your garlic powder. You're gonna add this puppy in. This is a 1½ teaspoon of garlic powder. Next thing you're gonna do is add your onion powder. That's 1 teaspoon. Spread it around, people. Now, here's where the heat comes in. Jalapenos. I love them to death. I love them. We're gonna go 1/4 cup of diced jalapenos. Here, real quick, here's what I've done with these. I've cut the tops off right here at the stem, and I cut them in half, okay? And then what I did with that, I just go ahead and dig out all the seeds and everything like that. You don't want seeds, because seeds are the heat when it comes to jalapenos, okay? Seeds are the heat. So just dig them all out, and then we're gonna go ahead and chop them up and dice them up and make them 1 cup of jalapenos. Probably takes 3-4 jalapenos to do that. What we do now, I'm gonna go ahead and mix all this up. We're gonna make our nice little base, our nice little filling, and then I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do with the bacon next, because guess what? We're getting close to doing this thing. You're gonna love it. Guys, I'm telling you, so simple. I'll see you right back here. Let me mix these up. And you mix yours up too. I'll be right back. All right, here we go. So this is the time we're gonna go ahead and put this thing together. What I've done, I've taken 12 pieces of bacon and I've cut them in half. So you got 2 halves sitting right here. You can see that, 1 half. I'm gonna take 1 piece of bacon. I'm gonna take some of my filler. What I did with my filler, I put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds just to soften it up even more. And I'm gonna go ahead and put it on this bacon. A little bit more, let's fill it up. Okay. Then we'll take another piece of bacon and we'll lay it crossways. What you want to do here is take a little bit of that cheese that you have, your shredded cheddar cheese, just put it on top of that. Now, here's the fun part. Take the bottom of the bacon and fold it over. Take the other half, fold it over. And then we're gonna go to the right to the left, the bacon with the cheese on it. Fold it over and fold it over. There you go. At this point here, take yourself a toothpick, put it right down the middle of it, and this is gonna keep it together. And there it is. There is your absolute jalapeno bacon bomber. I'll show you one more time. Take a piece of bacon. I'm going to take some of the filling. Fill it up, it's okay. Some comes out, that's a good thing. Take another piece of bacon, cross it over. You see what I'm doing here? And take some of that cheddar cheese, put it over top of that. Let's fold it up. Bottom, top, left, and right. And then of course we ended up with a toothpick. And a toothpick is just nothing more than keep it together. I mean, it really is. There you have it, bacon bomber. Now, I have my fryer at 350, okay? Everything's ready to go. We're gonna go ahead and pop these puppies in there at 350. All right, so we're gonna put it right there in the pan, or right there in the basket. Same thing with this guy. Again, this is another reason that you wanna keep the toothpicks available. Put them in there. We're gonna drop them down into the fryer. 4 minutes, that's all you need. Once you're done with that, we're gonna take them out of the fryer and we're gonna have one more step before we bake them and then we eat them. Oh goodness, it's gonna be a great time. It'll take a second, 4 minutes. I'm gonna finish up the rest of these. You finish up the rest of yours. Keep putting them in the deep fryer, 4 minutes. Put them on the side and we're gonna do something special to them because it's gonna make them the best. I'll see you right back here. Okay, hey, so our bacon bombers, they've already been through the frying process. They're ready to go, but not yet, not yet. It's gonna be fantastic, which we're gonna do next. In this little jar, or this little cup, I have some barbecue sauce. I like Baby Ray's, sweet Baby Ray's. You can do whatever you want. If you have a favorite barbecue sauce, use a daggone thing, I don't care. But what you have to do is go ahead and take some liquid smoke. Again, you can buy this at your grocery store, no big deal. I like to throw a teaspoon of liquid smoke in all my barbecue sauces because what it does, it creates a little bit of that smoky flavor while things are cooking. We're gonna mix that into my Baby Ray's. That's all you gotta do. Pretty simple. So you've already deep fried your bacon, and we've already been through that process. So what we're gonna do, here's what I'm gonna do. Take this first one, take a hold of it by the toothpick. We're gonna go ahead and just dip it in. Dip it in like I'm doing here. I'm gonna put it right down. Just like that. I'll do another one. Put it down just like that. So what's gonna happen is when we put them into the oven at 350 for 10 minutes, that Baby Ray's and that liquid smoke's gonna soak right into that bacon, smoke right into that mixture. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be amazing. Let me do one more. Why not? See that? Bam. I'm gonna finish the rest of these up, throw them in the oven at 350, 10 minutes, and we're ready to have a tailgate. I'll see you right back. All right, hey, welcome to the arrival of the end game. We have made the jalapeno bombers, bacon bombers. Oh my God, does these look good. I'm gonna tell you what, did you see how simple they were? You really did. Yes, it's simple, just a little bit of work, a little bit of chopping up of the peppers, that's all you gotta do. The bombers are great for an appetizer, great for a tailgate. It's up to you. I can't wait to try them. Oh, because I know they're good. I know they're good. This is my personal recipe. Boom, baby. Are you freaking kidding me? That's awesome. You're going to love this. Jalapeno bombers, Steeler game day, Penn State game day. I don't care what game day you're at. You can be all kinds of pro fans. I don't care. Make these for your crew. Fantastic. Look, thanks for showing up. Thanks for being here. Hit that subscribe button. We're making all kinds of tailgate stuff. It's football season. It's that time of year. We're going to make soups. We're going to make stews. We're going to make all kinds of wonderful stuff coming up here for the fall. Thanks for being here. Subscribe. And like I always like to say, you know me. Thanks for showing up, and Nostrovia.